Jumping right into this video, I'm going to start on 1 week old hair. I'm not going to pre-poo my hair, and I didn't use the Olaplex treatment. I just wanted to see how well the shampoo and conditioner work on my hair. As the shampoo mentioned, it is great for detangling the hair, and the conditioner is great to use as a leave-in or as a conditioner alone. Now I'm going to section my hair into quadrants as I always do on wash days and for my styles. This helps me to stay nice and organized, and also on wash days I want to section my hair into fours because that way I can really focus on cleaning my scalp and on my roots. You just want to make sure your scalp is clean and free of any buildup so that your scalp can breathe. And here's how my hair looks product free. And now I'm going to pour some shampoo into the palm of my hands, and then I'm going to work the shampoo on my scalp and on the roots of my hair very well. And someone recently asked me if I shampoo my hair once or if I'm just showing me shampooing my hair once for the sake of the video, and the answer is that I do shampoo my hair only once. When I'm very thorough like this and I'm really making sure that the shampoo is really touching my scalp, is really going through my roots, is really cleaning my hair, then there's only need to shampoo my hair once. And also, shampooing your hair too much has the potential to dry out your hair, which many of us knows leads to breakage and damage. So now that I have shampooed all 4 sections, all I'm going to do is remove all the clamps and just rub the shampoo on my roots once more just to make sure that everywhere has gotten the shampoo, and then I'm going to rinse out thoroughly. And make sure that you rinse the shampoo out very thoroughly, because if you don't, it can cause irritation and dryness and flakiness on the scalp and throughout the hair, and you do not want that. And here's how my hair looks after I rinse the shampoo out. My hair feels like hair. It feels strong. It doesn't feel stripped, and it doesn't feel like super soft. So that's a good thing. It's a nice balance. Now I'm going to apply the conditioner that goes with this line. So I like to section my hair into halves once they're in the quadrants, just because I want to make sure that all of my hair gets the TLC that it deserves and that it needs. My thoughts on this conditioner or leave-in conditioner were okay. I think I'm just going to use it as a leave-in conditioner because it didn't really condition my hair as I like for it to, and it didn't provide me a lot of slip, which you know I love. So I will definitely use it as a leave-in, not as a conditioner. And I like to comb the conditioner in because this way I can make sure that my hair is actually absorbing the conditioner rather than the conditioner sitting on top of my hair. And ever since I've done this, I've noticed a huge difference in the health of my hair and a huge difference on how receptive my hair is to products. And after I've combed the conditioner in thoroughly, I like to twist the section just to make sure that I keep the moisture and hydration within my hair and it doesn't escape. And I think this conditioner, it smells like something that you would cook with. I don't know, I just kept thinking it smells like something I would use in the kitchen. So once I have applied the conditioner to all the quadrants, I am going to remove the clamps and I'm going to rinse the conditioner out of my hair. And here's how my hair looks after I have rinsed the conditioner out. So my hair feels pretty good. It doesn't feel super soft and it doesn't feel brittle, it doesn't feel mushy. It does feel strong and it feels very hydrated. And here's a close-up of how my hair looks. So as you can see, my curls are definitely popping. And to deep condition my hair, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Macro Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask, and also G Natural's Hair Growth Oil. And once I've rinsed the two out of my hair, here's how it looks. My hair is so hydrated and it feels so good. Then to dry my hair, I'm going to use a cotton t-shirt as I always do. And then I'm going to get ready to style my hair. And you guys are going to be very excited to see how I style my hair next. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!